Reaction control actually is a complete new approach for super sensitive skin. For all the people that are super afraid of using acids, the PHA is very different to the alpha hydroxy acid or the beta hydroxy acids. The polyhydroxy acid actually works on two different approaches. First of all, you can use it perfectly for super sensitive skin. We're talking here about eczemas, we're talking here about hypersensitive, we're talking here about rosacea, we're talking really about super nervous skin that needs balance and also needs hydration. Because what that product does is not only a superficial minimalistic exfoliation. You could imagine that works like a hydration magnet inside the skin. Quite basically, after application, you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes at a minimum. For those super sensitive clients, usually 1 or 2 treatments per week would be enough. And then you could see that the texture and the surface of the skin gets better and better, and even dry eczemas get more and more hydrated. Once they get used to it, or for people that use the basic acids like AHA and PHA, for them that could be a super moisturizing treatment as well. Even let's say after summertime when the skin feels more dry, or flight attendants that have to stay for hours and hours on very dry air and very dry environment. For them, that is a super approach to help them and to cure the deficit of hydration inside the skin. For them, I would recommend to keep it on even 45 minutes. And maybe after 20 minutes, you massage it with wet hands again to reactivate the process. And after 45 minutes, it's been washed off. And if you then apply Recharge pH or Recharge N, those hydrators are being sucked deeply into the tissue because you have applied this moisturizer magnet deeper in the deeper tissue and the deeper layers of the dermis. And that makes this product so fabulous, because all kinds of skin, and especially those skins that need an extra ration of hydration, will be super happy with reaction control. And the mega thirst is quenched immediately after one treatment of 45 minutes, but you still can use it for a week or so for a long-term hydration intensive care.